My Tuscan Chicken Soup is a hearty soup packed with veggies and beans to warm your belly and fill you up. It's super tasty, pun intended. I've got some olive oil heating in a pan over a medium heat, and I'm going to add a diced onion and cook for about 10 minutes until the onion's softened. We're going to add 2 cloves of garlic and a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme and cook for another couple of minutes. Next in is the veggies. I've got some carrots, potatoes and celery, and they'll all go in together. Then we're going to pour over a litre of chicken stock. Homemade is best for this if you can, but if not, 2 or 3 stock cubes dissolved in a litre of hot water is fine. Add half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and then bring to the boil and simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to add in a tin of drained and rinsed cannellini beans and cook for a further 5 minutes. Once the cannellini beans have heated through, we're going to add in some cooked shredded chicken. We just want to heat that through in the pan before adding the kale for the last couple of minutes. We're going to give that a little test for seasoning. Perfect. And then we'll ladle that up into some bowls and serve with some lovely crusty fresh bread.